Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're going to learn how to download and install the PNC mobile banking app. First, search for PNC mobile banking on App Store or Google Play Store. Once you've found the app, tap on the Get button beside it. Then, tap on Open. Once the app is open, tap on Yes, I want to sign in. On the field provided, enter your user ID and password. Then tap on Sign in. Next, you need to verify your identity with a one-time passcode. Select the mobile number to receive a one-time passcode to continue. After that, select how you want to receive the code, either via text or voice. Once you receive it, enter it. Then tap on Submit. That's how you download and install the PNC mobile banking app. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos related to financial apps almost every day. Also, check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.